Hey everybody, and welcome to week 6 of my, left knee total replacement video diary, whatever. Um, and really, at a high level, first thing I got to say is things are really getting better on lots of fronts. The swelling is down, the bruising is almost completely gone. You can't even see it. Just a little bit near my ankle. That's the big thing that I want to say, that yeah, by week 6 pretty much kind of back to normal. And I would say the biggest factor in getting back to normalcy was or is sleeping through the night. And I'd read on a lot of, support groups or whatever, people taking medication or whatever, but I thought I'd lay out how I've done it. And it was a little bit of trial and error and seeking advice. But so I wasn't sleeping through the night because either of pain, but then more recently, it felt like I needed more exercise and I just had too much pent up energy and I wasn't sleeping. So once I wasn't getting up in the middle of the night because of pain, solving the problem of, okay, my body felt like it had too much energy, that problem needed to be solved. And inevitably, what I had to do was break up my day into multiple rounds of activity, whether it's day to day your normal activity or doing PT in the off days, certain exercises, but really trying to keep everything in sort of the 15 to 20 minute range, nothing more than half an hour or a half hour walk or whatever. And then the other key factor was don't take a nap longer than 30 minutes in the afternoon. Because what I was doing was I was doing, like this big burst of activity or exercise, knocking myself out for 2.5 hours of nap time, and then having way too much energy at night because I had slept so much during the day. So once I kind of normalized it to, okay, 15 to 20 minute rounds of exercise or activity, a little 30-minute, quick nap in the afternoon meant that, I was falling asleep and, sleeping till the morning. So for me, was pretty much 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. And I hope your journey is going well. And yeah, I'm going to probably reduce the frequency of these things. Probably my next, video diary will be when I have something major to report. And the next major thing to report is going to be my right knee replacement, which is going to be in 3 weeks. Until then, everyone take care. Bye.